Hello, and welcome to this HelloID Service Automation product release video for July 2023. HelloID Service Automation is a user management self-service solution designed to delegate user management into the organization. For example, delegate group management, delegate distribution group management, delegate share management. It will help ICT departments to prevent accumulation of licenses and access rights. Please note that in this video, we will only show the new functionality for the July 2023 release. Please go to docs.helloid.com or our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's get started. In this video, we'd like to start with a PowerPoint presentation and then demo the new functionalities for the July 2023 release. We have two new features in this release. The first new feature is Update Support for Service Automation Cloud and Local Agent for Product Action Executions. This feature is still in beta, but with this release, we've made a huge step in progress towards the final release. Beta means that we don't recommend using this in production environments, but because of this, you can send your feedback and check the new functionality before it's released. Please contact your local support to enable this beta functionality if interested. We have updated the request history interface in the administration panel, and we have support for some additions such as requester, requested for, manager, and approval history. Our second and final new feature in this release is a new button to set a default PowerShell script example. This feature will help you to build your PowerShell scripts by providing an example script containing commonly used functionalities such as input resolving, process logging, and audit logging. Let's demonstrate these new features. We have opened the HelloID administration panel and navigated to Self-Service and Request History. Let's open the top product request and see the updates we have done on this screen. We have added a breadcrumb at the top of this page that will give you information on the page you're currently working in, and it updates as you move around. So whenever you change these tabs, it will update the breadcrumb. In the request timeline, we have updated these user cards so it matches the design. For this particular product request, we can see it was requested for Sarah Bowen and requested by the Tools Forever administrator. And we can also see that James Parker has approved the product request. Let's navigate to the Task Execution tab to see the further details of these updates. Here you can see that one action has been executed successfully, so it's completed with the approved state, and we can click on further details. Here you can see that one action has executed successfully, so it's completed with the approved state, and we can click on further details. Here we can see that there are no further details configured for this task, but we have some task logging configured, so let's navigate to this tab. Here you can see some information tabs, and the first tab contains the requester information. In our case, the administrator was the requester who did the action request. The second card shows the information of Sarah Bowen. Sarah is the requested for user, so she will receive this product when approved. The third card will show James Parker, and James is the manager of Sarah, so this card has the manager information. Our final card shows the approval history information. So it's approved by James Parker, who added a comment as well when he approved this product request. Let's navigate to the product itself and see the task when we have configured these information cards. We will navigate to the New Actions tab. Here we will switch to the approved state and edit the configured task. This will trigger a simple script containing the write information function for the newly added variables, so for the requester, the requested for, the manager, and the approval history. You can also test these variables in the configuration screen by pressing the Execute PowerShell button, and the requester will be filled in for the logged in user, as well as the requested for action. In our case, this is the administrator of HelloID. The manager information will be filled with the manager information of the current logged-in user. In our case, Morgan Parker is our manager. The approval history is empty because we do not have any actual product request or any approval information while configuring this script, so that information is not available while configuring, but it is available at the approval state action. Let's clear this script and we can see that a new button shows up, Set Default Script. If you press this button, an example script will be inserted to help you get started with your own script. This script contains the commonly used functions, such as the variable mapping, how to use form variables, how to use product variables. It also contains an example of how to use custom audit messages. This button is only available when the script is empty. So now the button is not there anymore, and when we clear the script again, the button will show up. This button is also available for the PowerShell data sources and the delegated form tasks. The example PowerShell script differs from each of these places, meaning it only contains the relevant information for the context of a product action for a PowerShell data source or a delegated form task. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can post your question in YouTube or send it to isupport@toolsforever.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive frequent updates about improvements and changes in HelloID. Have a wonderful day.